What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's finally springtime. Birds are chirping, and today we're finally going to be putting in some of the C5 Corvette parts. We'll be putting in the performance hood seal. Obviously, performance hood seal goes right here on the front lip here. Corvette, the C5s had the seal that went along the sides here, but they never put anything on the front. So the purpose of it is to mainly keep dirt and everything off of my Blackwing air filter. Whether or not it actually adds anything performance-wise, not here to debate that. So let's get into installing this. Alright guys, so as you can see, the sill here is pretty dirty, so first thing we're going to have to do is just clean and prep all this. So right here I have some Meguiar Super Degreaser. Obviously you can use your choice of cleaner, it doesn't really matter, just as long as it's clean. And then I am using a microfiber cloth. So let's get into cleaning this really quick. Alright, now the next step is probably not necessary, but I like to go a little bit overboard. I am going to use a little bit of Optimum No Rent, so O&R, some clay bar. Alright, so I'm going to spray this with the O&R so I can clay it, so that I'll make sure that we have good adhesion. Alright, now with that more or less clayed and looking pretty clean, I mean, there's a few things just aren't going to come out. Just gonna let that dry up for a little bit. Then we'll get on to putting the performance seal on. Alright, now the only tool you're gonna need to put this actually on is just some scissors. You're gonna have to cut off a little bit of the excess. All I did was come all the way to the edge here, lined up with the body line in the headlight, and then worked my way across. And then it lines up pretty much flush with the body line on this side of the headlight as well. And then the last thing to do before you stick the 3M tape on there is it comes with these alcohol wipes. So you just want to wipe this bottom lip here down with the alcohol wipe, and then you'll be good to go to stick this on. So let's wipe this down really quick. So that's that, and then now all we have to do is begin taking off this 3M tape. If I can get my fingernail under there. There we go. Again, I'm gonna line this up with the body line of the headlight. And then all I'm going to do is push that down right up against the vertical lip here as I pull the 3M tape. This side over here is not sticking. Just make sure that sticks. Alright, keep on moving. Okay. Just keep pushing this down. As we get to the ends, should be good to go. And there you go, just push that down all the way across. Make sure that sticks pretty well. Seems like it's sticking pretty well. I just had this one little corner over here, but that's sticking now. And that's it. Alright, so that's going to do it for the quick installation of the performance hood seal. It's kind of hard to see here in the darkness, but that lines up perfectly over here. This does not like stick up anywhere. It sits underneath the body panels. And then, I mean, maybe if my cut job was a little bit better, it would fit in there a little bit better. But it doesn't look bad from a couple feet away. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. Hopefully this performance hood seal at least keeps some of the dirt, some of the water out of the air filter and out of the engine bay. That's the only purpose why I really got it. If it actually does anything performance-wise, that I do not know. Obviously, I mean, they claim that it does, but I don't really know. I believe this was $16 on Zip Corvettes. For Black Friday, they had, I forget how much percent off, but I think it was like $12 or $13. So even if it doesn't do anything performance-wise, as long as it keeps it cleaner than what it is, I'm happy with that. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.